Hey guys, and Nero from TechView. In front of us is the Sony Xperia Z3. I'm going to give you a quick demo on how to set it up for the first time. So once you put the SIM card in, you've obviously taken it out of the box, you need to now set your new handset up. So when you press the power button here on the side and wait for the handset to power on, it will bring you to this screen, ask you to choose your language. So let's tap on English UK, but there is a range of languages available. Out of the box, let's tap on done, and now you've got to tap on the bit saying I am aware of the important information, and now let's tap on the right arrow, choose would you like to use mobile network and Wi-Fi for data, or would you like to just use Wi-Fi only. We're going to choose mobile network and Wi-Fi. Ask you to change the date and time. Now ask you to choose a Wi-Fi network, so you can tap on search for networks, and I'll ask you to enter the password, tap on whichever network you want. And once you're done, tap on done, and you'll see it comes up with the Wi-Fi icon at the top. Next up is, do you have a Google account? This is quite interesting because if you choose yes, we'll then ask you to sign in and ask whether you'd like to restore your device from previous backups. And if you choose no, it'll ask you whether you'd like to open an account. Let's tap on. If you tap no, it'll ask you to whether you'd like to open a Google account. You can tap on get an account or tap on not now. So let's tap on not now, and that takes you past that. And now it asks you to join the world of Sony. And some of the features you can do with your Sony account is locate your phone and keep your contacts safe with My Xperia, personalize your experience across Sony apps and services, get access to music, films, games and more. You can tap on get started, and then it will ask you to sign in with a Sony Entertainment Network. Now if you do use, now you might have one of these if you played on PlayStation online or something, so you can go through that, and it says here you can use your PSN account, which is your PlayStation Network account. It's all one account. We don't have one, so you can tap on create account, and it then opens up an in browser and asks you to create one. Go through the process here. Let's tap on back, and now we'll tap on next. Ask you to add account. So here's where you can add things like your Facebook, your Twitter, or Exchange ActiveSync out of the box. And also quite important here, if you choose to turn off sync automatically, even if you then go and add accounts afterwards, you still need to go and find it in the options. So we'd probably allow remain this on. And the sync automatically option basically says it can use, your handset can use data transfer in the background. This is to do things like receive emails, social updates and things like that. It's up to you whether you want to leave that. If you're on a limited Wi-Fi, if you're on a limited data plan, we'd probably recommend you turn it off, but it's all about your personal circumstances. Let's tap on next, and that's it, you're finished, you're ready to go. Now if you do want to transfer messages, photos, contacts and more from an old device, you can use the Xperia transfer option. It says here, learn more on sonymobile.com/Xperia transfer. We're going to bring you a separate video on that afterwards, but for now let's tap finish. And now ask you to a data disclaimer, which says, to ensure quality, your device will check for updates to your pre-installed Sony Xperia software. If Wi-Fi is available, new software will be downloaded and pre-installed Sony Xperia applications will be updated automatically. You can change this later in settings about phone and software update. Pre-installed applications may use mobile data and data transmission charges may apply depending on your data plan with your service provider. You can manage your data usage for all apps or for specific apps in settings data usage. Let's tap next. And now it's the data disclaimer. And this is quite interesting. To improve quality and enhance performance, Sony Mobile would like to connect anonymous data and usage statistics from your device. The collected data cannot be used to identify you personally. And your option is to, by default, it ticks the box that says help improve quality by sending anonymous data and usage statistics. If you don't want this to be sent, just tap on the blue tick and it gets rid of it. And you can always change this later in settings about phone usage info settings. Let's tap done. And we're now in our new Sony Xperia Z3. So yeah, that's a quick look at how to set up your Sony Xperia Z3. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned because we've got a lot of coverage coming up on the Xperia Z3, Xperia Z3 Compact and a bunch of other devices, and I'll see you in the next video.